Gram Seva program is a holistic development initiative undertaken by SBI Foundation for the development of remote villages of Garo Hills. SBI Foundation has adopted 5 villages in Dadengri block of North Garo Hills district, and they have been constantly monitoring, guiding the villages for the latest adoption of the latest techniques in various areas. As we all know, banking has undergone a lot of changes. From the days of manual banking, we have moved on to digital banking. We have a lot of digital products being offered to various banks. Through this Gram Seva program, we intend to impart all technical knowledges, all technical trainings to the villages that has been adopted by SBI Foundation. And it's a 3-year program, and we hope that this 3-year program will see a lot of developmental economic changes, a lot of developmental activities in these 5 villages. We hope to see the people of these 5 villages coming up in a big way in the days to come.
State Bank of India Foundation is currently running 3 flagship programs. One is SBI Youth for India, which is a fellowship program. That program is providing a platform to urban youth, educated youth, to serve our rural communities. Second program is SBI Gram Seva program. It is one of the biggest flagship program of SBI Foundation. Through this program, we are adopting villages at various parts of our country, and we are trying to develop those villages. Our third flagship program is COE. It is a Center for Excellence. This program is providing a skill training, a capacity building trainings to person with disabilities. SBI Gram Seva program started in 2017. In first phase, we have adopted 50 villages in state like Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand, Maharashtra and Assam. So, after executing the successful first phase, we have come up into the second phase, where we have adopted 25 villages in state like Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Telangana and Karnataka. So, friends, we would like to talk about the strategy of SBI Gram Seva, SBI Foundation's approach towards the rural development. SBI Gram Seva strategy is based on Mahatma Gandhiji's Gram Swaraj concept and Prime Minister Modiji's Atmanirbhar Bharat. We want to develop these villages with the support of villagers. We want these villagers to be a part of their development initiatives. So, we are covering various rural development interventions, almost 26 interventions we are doing in these rural villages, which are very necessary for developing these villages. So, we would like to take you through the through these initiatives. Our initiatives like digitization. So, digitization is very much required in today's generation. Tribal belts of our countries are still not connected with internet, and they have to travel far to get all this information which is required for their day to day activities. Through this Gram Seva program, we are going to establish a Gram Seva Kendra. The Gram Seva Kendras are the feature, a main feature of our Gram Seva intervention, where villagers will have their platform where they can come, they can discuss, they can share whatever ideas, thoughts they have about their village. Apart from this Gram Seva program, Gram Seva Kendra is going to provide all online facilities to the villagers, be it at applying for crop loans, applying for insurance, applying for job, applying for widow pension, applying for senior citizen pensions. So, these all schemes we are going to provide through our Gram Seva program in village itself. They need not to travel so far to get these facilities. Our Gram Seva Kendra in charge we have recruited to support these villages. Apart from this, a very important thematic area of Gram Seva program is education. Education is very important initiative for these villages. Why? Because these kids, the childrens, they are the future of our nation. So, through our education interventions, we have categorized the activities, like we are providing smart classrooms. So, where student can get audio video education and they will understand the concept very easily. Apart from this, the computer literacy is very much required for the children. So, basic computer literacy is going to be provided to these children at the village level itself. After schooling, normally rural students, they are roaming here and there. There is no tuition concept in the villages. So, keeping that in view, we have started providing remedial classes to those students, where they can be engaged with their studies and they can do better in their academics. We found that there is tremendous talent in the villages, but still they are not getting any platform. So, we are providing scholarship to those talents, that those talents may be in sports, it may be in culture, it may be in art, it may be in academics. So, we are providing scholarship to them, so they can go and achieve their dreams. Apart from this, very important thematic area of our initiative is healthcare. Healthcare is one of the basic necessity for humans. As we have seen, this Meghalayan villages are very hilly and hilitarian villages, where the healthcare facilities cannot be accessible. So, keeping that in view, we have decided to go ahead with providing mobile medical van to those villages, where they can avail the healthcare facilities at their doorsteps. So, another very important feature of SBI Gram Seva program is convergence and linking government schemes. My friends, I would like to mention here that there are several welfare schemes are available for these villages, but due to lack of technological knowledge, due to unavailability of platform, they are not able to get that benefit. So, we have recruited a convergence officer. That convergence officer is with full of knowledge of government schemes. He is going to guide to the villagers to apply for the government schemes, and through this convergence, of course, ultimately the development does not happen with one machinery. Government is trying their part, CSR arms are trying their part, and other corporates are trying their part, but we believe that if we have a good synergy amongst all the department, we will able to achieve this goal. Friends, the another initiative we are talking about is safe drinking water. The water is the biggest issue nowadays, but if you see, water is available, but the water quality is not good. So, we are testing the water, and based on the need of the villages, we are installing RO plants into the villages. We are providing direct connectivity of the water to the villages at their doorstep. During my visit, what I found is rural infrastructure is very poor here. The schools are not in good condition. There is no community platform where people can come and sit together and discuss about their village, or whatever the functions they want to do, they cannot do. So, keeping that in view, we have thought to support for infrastructure development in these villages. Rural infrastructure is very important feature of this program. We have done the baseline of these villages. I personally have visited to the villages, and where I have found there is no community infrastructure available in the villages, where villagers can come, sit and talk. Apart from this, the school buildings condition is also not good, and any other infrastructure, be it at ICDS center, be it at healthcare center. So, we need to improve those infrastructure. We have decided to renovate, repair those infrastructure and make it usable, accessible for the villagers. As you know, in today's world, we are facing global warming. We are trying to protect our environment, where we have decided to do lot of water conservation initiatives. Apart from this, tree plantation drives. We have discussed with the villagers, we have identified the land where we can plant these trees, and for next 5 years we are going to take care of those trees. So, these all are the initiatives we are going to execute through our Gram Seva program to develop these villages. Friends, although we are doing all these rural development initiatives, we are very much concerned about sustainability of these initiatives. So, keeping that in view, we have kept an awareness programs, we are keeping regular awareness program for these villages, where we are teaching them, giving training to them to how to be a part of this developmental initiatives, and we are mainly talking them about their duties. Friends, we believe that when we are following our duties well, we are respecting the others' rights. Nowadays, everywhere we found that everyone talks about their rights, but they forgot their duties. So, we believe when we are doing our duties well, we are respecting the others' right. So, these awareness programs are going to help these villages in many ways to sustain our rural development initiatives.
The program we are about to talk, which is Gram Seva program sponsored by SBI Foundation, is a very holistic program. Under this program, whatever Baghlil was doing previously in each of its project, every component of it is in this single program. So, you name it and it will be there in our Gram Seva program. This program was started in 2nd October on the auspicious occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's birthday in Asimgiri village of Dadingiri block, which comes under West Garo Hills. So, it was launched on 2nd October and this program is for 3 years. For 3 years, SBI Foundation will support us in various technical fields through fundings and through other its market linkages and credit linkages. And after this 3 year also, they will be with us for more 2 years to look after the sustainability part of the program. So, we started the program in October. We did the baseline survey, we went to all 5 villages and covered more than 650 households. And we went through like what is the present situation in Gram, what is the status of convergence of different schemes, what is the banking penetration, what is the status of different government schemes, people are able to utilize it or not. And we went through all these things, and whatever data we got, we will utilize it for our upcoming interventions. Suppose I will talk about our different interventions. Under this program, we will cover 10 interventions, 10 thematic areas. Some of them are like digitalization, health, education, livelihood, women empowerment, awareness program of different government schemes, and environment also. So, in digitalization, what we are going to do, like our world is fully connected. Without internet, we cannot move, we cannot produce one single paper. So, for each and every kind of facility, government facilities, government schemes, for banking schemes, everything is now available online. Every job is now applied online. So, like in village area, these things are not available. Computers are not there, online cafes are not there. So, youth people and elderly people, it is very difficult from them to travel from villages to all the way to cities. Most of the time, all their day is wasted in just getting one online work, which is mainly of 5 minutes only. So, we will bring all these things in the village itself. So, talking about our next intervention, which is education. So, the third component in our project is health. Next is livelihood. So, through our initiative, we will ensure that each village people they will do some kind of livelihood activities which will add up to their annual income of their household. From this Gram Seva program, it will be covering all development aspects in only our selected 5 villages. So, it is kind of holistic program, and through this program we had a plan to develop this 5 villages into the model villages of Meghalaya.